Hello, we're going to see how to bulk and follow WhatsApp channels. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. If you have added a lot of channels and follow a lot of accounts and you want to follow several of them, it is now so convenient to go into each of them and follow them. It will take you a lot of time. So if you want to unbundle accounts in a more optimal way, first you have to go to the update section, then go to the bottom of the screen, and there you will find the See All button beside the Find Channels tab. In this section, you will see a full list of channels here. Now, you can find the channels from the list or just search for them manually. Then, beside each of these channels, you will see a tick icon. Tap on it. Finally, hit Follow on the small pop-up confirmation window. And that's it. You will stop following several accounts with this simple trick. I hope this helped, and thanks for watching.